3.1415, 926535, 8979, 3238, 4626,
All right,
43.
3238, 46. Yeah, that's right. She said 46, right? All right. Yes, that's right. I know. I just wanted you to see what happens if I interrupt her. All right, you said 46. That was the last two digits. Now go on.
26433883279. 5028841971 699 69399375 10 5820 97 4944 59 592307 8164 0628620899 866203
86. After 86.
6203
After 86. Go back to your mind's eye after 86.
Eight six two eight 03 4825 3421170679.
Are you scared of me?
Kind of.
How do you feel now?
Accomplished.
Do you think you've pushed yourself enough?
Yeah. No. Actually, no.
All right. One more time, please. A big round of applause. My AC Viva was looking at me and shaking her head. She's like, oh my God, this guy. Why does he have to interrupt her when she was in the flow, right? Because that's what I keep her on her toes. She never knows what I'm going to ask her to do in the class, right? I did that for a reason. If it was just rote memorization, you'd be like, oh my God, I'm lost now. And I don't know if I will be able to do it again. But did you see how confident she was catching up from where I interrupted her? That again is confidence. That again is belief in the fundamentals of principles that she has learned and how she has applied it here. That is what it was about. The techniques are only an enabler.